Well, here we are. It's Tuesday morning. The forecast is not great. And when I looked at the weather map, yeah, all of that is coming this way. So I don't know what we're going to get done today. Well, given the weather, I don't really know what's going to happen the next couple days. Today we're supposed to have showers, rain, thunderstorms, maybe an inch. And tomorrow it says we're supposed to have 2 to 3 inches of rain. So that seems a little bit more definite that it's going to be a tough day tomorrow to get things done. That's all I can say. Looks like we're going to be getting some rain here. How much? I don't know. So hopefully those guys have got a good start from when I left. And here it is. Hopefully not too much. You know, it may seem that I have a lot of patience, but I really don't have a lot of patience. I've never had a lot of patience. I just know what needs to be done, how it needs to be done, and I just don't have a lot of patience with a lot of things. But the last week has been really trying. Well, this isn't boding very well for the afternoon. And tomorrow it's supposed to be 2 to 3 inches of rain. So it's gonna kind of mess up my plans for this week. But there's not much I can do about the weather, so I'm just gonna go with it as it comes, I guess. Okay, here's one of those things that, I don't know, you can sort of see the pools of water, and sometimes they're way worse than now. But if you're coming here and you're visiting and it's raining, the roads here are not crowned, so the water doesn't drain right off the sides. And you'll get to a place where all of a sudden there could be a huge pool of water, and if there's a car coming in the other direction, you either have to stop or go slowly through it, because otherwise you're liable to end up hydroplaning and getting into an accident. So remember that if you're here. See, that was one of those. Now, had there been another car coming or whatever, and I wasn't paying attention, you'd go right through that, you'd probably end up having an accident. Okay, I know you're not going to believe this one, but it's dropped to 78, which it's been, I don't think we've had 78 in a while. And with this wind and the decreased humidity, with that, ready? Yeah, it's almost cold. I could put my pants back on. It's got a little bit of a damp chill to the air. But that's what happens when you get used to, or not used to, but when every day is like, you know, 90, 95 in the shade, and then all of a sudden it's in the upper 70s and cooler, and you've not gotten used to that, but that's what every day is like. So today is a little bit cooler. Italian sausage, hot sausage, by the way, and peppers. That's what's for dinner. Probably in a hot dog roll, after it all melted. Delicious. Be even better if I remember to get an onion, but that's not happening now. Yeah, I couldn't do it anymore. Had to put pants on. I know. 78, it's actually 79. But I'm telling you, when you start to get used to, you know, 90s in the shade every day, and just being outside, and you are just like you went into the sea. You're sweating so much and everything else. When it drops that 15, 20 degrees, it's like, and then you get the wind. Don't forget the wind chill factor. Wind chill factor is a real thing, even here. Well, because it's was a rainy afternoon, I got done much earlier than I usually do, and dinner's all done. I've still got dishes to do, but no big deal. And I could go for a walk, but it's raining. So I guess that's going to be about it for today. Tomorrow could be interesting too, because they said it was 100% chance of rain. So if you're on vacation here, I'm sorry. Hopefully you'll find something to do.